Welcome to the world of UI/UX design. Whether you're an experienced designer or just starting out, what better way to learn UI/UX principles than YouTube, where a wealth of knowledge awaits. So now I'll unveil the top 8 YouTube channels that are essential for mastering UI/UX design. These channels serve as comprehensive repositories where you can elevate your UI/UX expertise. Ensure you stick around till the end to discover all the channels and take your UI/UX game to the next level. Leading the pack at number 1 is the official Figma YouTube channel. It's a treasure trove of tutorials and feature updates directly from the Figma team, offering invaluable insights into the latest features and best practices. Securing the second spot is Design Course, hosted by the knowledgeable Gary Simon. This channel provides a diverse array of design tutorials, including those focused on Figma. Gary provides clear explanations and hands-on demonstrations. Coming in at number 3 is Flux Academy. They offer a course called Figma Mastery, perfect for designers who want to become experts in using Figma for UI/UX design. Explore their in-depth tutorials on design thinking, prototyping, and UI animation, and take your design skills to new heights with their expert guidance. Next up at number 4 is Misco, a go-to resource for all things UI/UX design, with a wide-ranging spectrum of topics covered from fundamental design principles to advanced strategies, so it's great for beginners and pros alike. Claiming the 5th spot is Jesse Showalter's channel, a goldmine for digital design and web development enthusiasts. The channel covers design principles, user experience, and interface design, making it a well-rounded resource for anyone interested in these fields. At number 6, we have Malwitz, a channel dedicated to enriching UI/UX design skills. They focus on UI/UX design and offer lots of helpful information for designers and developers. Their tutorials and tips are easy to understand and follow along with. Now, let's head to India for number 7, Punit Chawla's channel. A professional UX/UI designer, Chawla shares insightful videos every Monday and Thursday covering various design facets, from web to UI, Adobe XD to Figma tutorials, and beyond. Rounding off the list at number 8 is UI Adrian, offering comprehensive guidance and insights into the realm of UX. If you're new to UX design and want to know what it's really like, UI Adrian's channel is perfect for you. That's all for our list today. I hope you found these channels as exciting as I did. If you know of any other great channels, share them in the comments below.